You don't go down. You want to go straight in. That fire, we're blowing air from below. So we got an oxidizing part of the fire on the bottom. We got a neutral part in the middle, and the top of the fire is reduced.
Get it going. Now, unfortunately, with the sun, normally black.
When you pull it out of there, you got to already be thinking, what are we going to do first? We're going to put a point on that piece. And you do that by hammering, angle your hammer. Okay, hit it once, turn it 90 degrees, hit it again. Turn it back. You don't go all the way around, because whatever you do on the top, the anvil's doing on the bottom. Pull your piece out, get a grip on it. Pull it out and look at it. If it's red, go for it. All right, put a point on it.
So you're just pumping air.
Angle your hammer.
These are small forges.
And you hit it once, go back, roll it back, keep the piece flat on the end. Take a look at it and see.
And you're going to have to walk. Unfortunately, like I said, with the sunlight, it's very hard. There's a little bit. You're going to have to walk.
Remember to slant your hand.
Lay it in, lay it flat. You could just leave it. Stick it in the house. It's going to take a little bit to leave it out. You don't have to. Blacksmithing, this is sure is one of the most time.
Good luck.
You getting there. Every couple minutes.
All right.
Should I put this in the fire?
Yeah.
File will want to cut into the steel that hasn't been cut. Get a blank out and run the file.
Take it and squash it in the bucket. Don't drop it in the bucket. It'll go through the bottom.
You feel the teeth coming off the hammer?
Get it right in.
We're going to bang things up a little bit here. Get our temperature back up where it belongs. Where are you guys at? These are tough. I think you come all the way here.
That's not all you got to do.
Where are you at?
I like it like that.
Yeah, you want to pull that off.
Okay, you're ready to go. So here's what you bring it out, pull your tip off, your tip. And you saw how I overhung it and tapped it? Yeah. Same thing, only you're going to do bigger. So pull the tip off. Good, come on.
You told me to come down here now.
Put the curl up.
This way?
Yep, this way. Hand right there, and you're going to hit it like that. And then we're going to ready? Come back on it. Yeah, see.
So what I did, over, twist it, turn it up, and then curl. Yeah, once you do it once, you'll get it.
We can do a final straighten once we, if you want to.